I met this lady by name Williams, and we fell in love. I was living at Waltham Park Road, and she lives at Drumley Avenue at Waterhouse. So we both came together.
RABBLE RABBLE SHOW, I got chat to them, I made them chat for it.
Rabble, rabble, you don't know, say, the one and only NASH-I Rabble Danger. And on this platform, we do things different. Rabble, rabbles.
Rabblings, you know, some more time in our life, things set away. And this story about to break, me no know who I got disbelieve or believe. It's about a Nigerian man and him Jamaican wife. Yeah, Nigerian and Jamaican. Here we are going. Them say people not fi mix up in a man and woman business, though. But me also hear them say a two side to every story. So be honest to me now, Rabblings. In anything you don't want people believe your side of story. Rabblings, let me know in the comment section below. Listen this Nigerian man experience he had with his Jamaican wife. Rabble, straight Rabblings.
I met this lady by name Williams, and we fell in love. I was living at Waltham Park Road, and she lives at Drumley Avenue at Waterhouse. So we both came together, started living together. I met her with a 3-year-old child. And the father was not there for the child, so automatically I become a father figure. Thereby we're going good from an African background, and I realized we need a better home because Drumley and Waterhouse wasn't to order too conducive for us. I said, okay, we'll try and get a home. So there was a quad selling in Silverstone, lot 334 Silverstone. So a deposit of $150,000 was needed for such a housing. So we put money together, myself and herself, and we got that home in Silverstone. So we were there living together. Then I said to her, I said, honey, don't you think it is best? I'm a chemist by profession. I believe in doing chemicals. I manufacture 35 items. I manufacture liquid soap, fabric softener, toilet bowl cleaner, tire growth, shampoo, conditioner, and etc. That's my field of specialty. That's my discipline. So she said, boy, honey, I don't think I can bother with such type of work. I said, but you can be on room on Saturdays when you don't go to work. You can do other stuff, you know, because we're having one quad. He said, no, that's okay, no problem. You know, from African background, we don't really, the women came first, you know. I gave her the first choice of everything she says. I decided doing my chemicals. I started for 1 drum of Fabulous. Then within some few months, I managed to get up to 15 to 20 drums. So I bought a vehicle. So she came home one day and said, honey, is that your vehicle? I said, yes. She said, so I used to ride bicycle. So then because of the relativity I have with my customers, you know, when they're passing by, they say, African, what is happening? I said, not bad. You know, so she thought that every woman that passed by is my girlfriend. But unknown to her, I know. It's just a way of demand and supply, you know. You have to make your customers to be comfortable in order for you to get some sales. So thereby, the jealousy start coming in. And, well, I don't really pay that no mind because I know from a woman point of view, I know I respect my woman, I love her so much, and I adore her. That's the good thing about it, you know. So I was overlooking other aspect of things. So we started building up. We added another quarter. We have 2 master bedrooms. Then eventually with 250 block going upstairs. So we have 2 master bedroom and 250 block going upstairs. So thereby, I started doing some other activities. I was working with Petrojam. I'm working with Petrojam at the same time. I was working at the security company, Vanguard Security Company. So it came to a point whereby I realized that each time the customers are passing by and they want to buy some stuff, so it's becoming uncomfortable. So at this time in question, we've been living for almost 12 years, or we lived together for 14 years. One day I realized, okay, she was reading the internet, she was doing her first degree. I said, okay, honey, why don't you do a read for your master's? But little did I know that she was using me as a stepping stone. I realized later when all these things started happening. I had a vehicle on the road, registration number PA1133, running Spanish Tampine here, and the driver used to balance me $5,000 a day. So I was able to put together to finance her studies and all those stuff. So it came to a point whereby there was a day she said to me that she's been noticing me. I said, what is that? Noticing me for what? She said she has been noticing for the past 14 years that I'm not dealing with her the way I'm supposed to do. I said, in what way? But I wasn't paying to mine, you know. So I saw the way this thing was going. I said, okay, then I decided to take her up. I said, okay, we're going for counseling. Always, I did all things possible to make sure the relationship works, but it's always falling apart. Well, she have to take up an order and said she wants to take me to the law court. That time I was in Jamaica before we got the house. I wasn't a citizen. I got my citizenship in 1998. And we started building that house on the 9th of December, 1997. So she took me for the law court. I was ordered to vacate the premises because the premises belongs to her, because all the paper shows her name on it, because my name wasn't included, because I can't do no transaction on the island. Asked me to leave the house because the names on there, because my name wasn't included in the title. Even when we were living together, I even asked her, say, baby, when are you taking me to go and include my name in the title? He said, just cool, man, you know, that will be taken care of and all those things. Whether I'm doubting her, I said, no, I don't have no feelings of that. And we were talking about children. I say, aren't you going to have a baby for me? Because she said, because of her previous experience, because she have a 3-year-old daughter I met her with, you know. Eventually, the daughter came to fall in love with me because started calling me daddy. So I have to represent, as I have to be there as a father figure. So because of the past experiences she have now, she said, but she have to take time. Well, I don't really, you know, walk into detail. I just take my time. I don't really pressure her and all those stuff, you know. At the same time, she was schooling. But it's so unfortunate when we got before the law court now. When they saw the documents, you know, my name wasn't included, just because I never had my citizenship. You know, because a year before that time, she took me for the law court. I got my citizenship, 1998, right? So they ordered me to leave, you know. I remember I have my products, I have my chemicals, you know. So I was ordered to leave within 2 weeks time. I have nowhere to go. So a friend of mine assisted me, put me up in a 1-2 place like that, you know. But my chemicals, you know, I can't even carry my chemicals along with me. So a lot of vandalization took place. Those who stole my fabric softener, liquid soap, and all those things, you know. Countless loss and all those stuff, you know. So he took me to a place called Cumberland. I was living in the place before God and man. It was it was an uncompleted building. I had to use tarpaulin and cover the top part of it. Rain falling up. Despite that, the rain was still falling down. All my properties were buried. A friend of mine saw my condition and took me to Westchester. The same thing happened. All these years, I stayed 3 years at Cumberland and I stayed 4 years at Westchester. Then the other final year where I'm living presently now is in Daytona, you know. So a friend of mine brought me here because each time I'm moving, I have to be moving with my drums, you know, because I cannot even afford a quarter rent, you know. So I was placed in this place, you know, where I'm living presently now. Believe me, God, you know, it's a living hell, you know. But I have this belief in mind that I'm going to survive. Do you know what it is for you to leave a country 29 years ago, only to be a failure in another man's country? When I look at myself, I always have unbelief in mind. I took myself as a living Job. I said, one day, God is going to bless me. And I look upon Isaiah, because sometimes I attend Sunday schools, you know, so that he who that waited upon the Lord shall renew the faith, you know. So all these things gave me courage. I've been working, but it reached to a point sometimes. It dawned on me that I wanted to come in so soon. Wait, believe me, at my age, I'm 50-something years of age now. Look at the whole 29 years in Jamaica is becoming a wasted right in front of my face. Everything is crumbling right in front of my face. All I'm asking for, let her give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. I worked so hard. Even the house valued for $6.5 million. All she could do, what I'm asking for, just let her give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, so that I can start another life. That's what I'm asking. Not even $100 Jamaican. She don't see me no way of giving me even a dime to make another living. How do I survive? I have to be living in the Gully Bank. I have to be living with the mosquito. The other day I felt sick. I was admitted in the hospital, dengue fever, you know. I'm just recovering. The video you saw was just about 2 weeks of recovery from the dengue fever, you know. So enough time, because of the mosquito, I have to sleep in my van and all those sort of things. I've been going through a living here. All I'm begging and praying, I just want a good Samaritan to help me out. I just can't beg it no longer. Please, I'm begging in the name of the Lord. I'm praying, I'm begging somebody, please, in the name of the Lord. I'm begging, please. If you could help me out. I have a song with
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember for like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabble.